Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's Jasmy video update for what day is it today? Is it Tuesday? Yeah, I think it's actually Tuesday. Now the new week has already started. 7 days are coming in the next 7 days we're going to get to know what happens in September. But at the moment we are looking at this rectangle, bearish rectangle that I previously talked about in the video. And right now, a quick recap is the following, okay? You were in a very prior downtrend and then you were moving to the downside. You can already see that huge arrow right now that, I just printed out. And this arrow does show you that, the trend is actually down right now. Now, at the moment, you really haven't broken out of this, bearish rectangle. And when we're going to break out of that bearish rectangle, we're going to talk about what happens in the next coming few days. So at the moment, that's pretty much a bearish rectangle that it has been printed out. What you want to see for continuation to the downside is the following, right? So I'm going to just take a brush right there. Right, so this is what you're looking for, a break to the downside. Now, this is the weekly chart, and it's going to take a couple of days, of course. It's not going to happen straight away, but you are currently being supported, and as long as you hold support, there's an old saying, every single time that goes on in the channel, support the coin. So when you actually move to the downside, you want to go a little bit back up, and when you go back up, you back test Jasmy, and then there's a potential rejection here, and then you're going to move to the downside. Now at the moment I cannot really say that you're going to go down because you haven't really lost that bearish rectangle. So the technical target still remains to the downside, and if you do come down, you're looking for 0.002083 at the moment, and that's the idea that I want to give you. Let's dive into the daily as well, and let's talk a little bit about the daily here, because I like to check the daily at the moment. Now the daily actually does show some small some sort of a bear flag that can be printed out probably. So if this actually becomes your bear flag, and Bitcoin does have that as well, then you might be looking for a drop. And let's actually look how much you're going to drop to the downside. So taking out the trend line, this is going to be a flagpole top to the bottom. And if you do break out of this, then, oh my gosh, okay. Then we're looking to actually come down to this price level, which is going to be 0.007. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on Jasmy. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.